Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make pork sausage at home, updated. Start by trimming and cutting pork shoulder into cubes, then chill meat and fat until firm. Grind once coarse, then mix in cure or salt, spices, and cold water. Test a small patty for seasoning on the stovetop, then adjust flavors. Finally, stuff into casings, chill overnight, and cook gently for best texture and flavor. Choose quality pork shoulder and weigh it to calculate salt and spice ratios accurately. Keep a bit of extra fat for blending so the texture stays moist when cooked. Use cold water or ice to improve binding and texture, and add salt early so it extracts proteins. Mix just until tacky, and always cook a small sample to verify seasoning before stuffing the rest into casings. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support this channel. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and habits and pairs nicely with saving from homemade cooking. I find it inspiring and practical, and it makes a fun gift for cooks who budget. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Grind meat twice for a consistent bite, first coarse then fine, keeping meat chilled between steps. Use a paddle to mix with spices and water until the mixture becomes sticky and cohesive. Stuff slowly to avoid air pockets and twist links to your desired size. Rest sausages overnight in the refrigerator to let flavors meld, and always cook to a safe internal temperature before serving for best results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.